Hey, what's up, y'all? Poor boys fishing. Let's go. Down here with my son, good buddy Andrew here, Poor Boys member. My son, he's somewhat interested. Until that pole bends over, that's when he's gonna get interested. But anyway, hoping to get somebody else on a golly whopper tonight. That'd be nice. Down here in the same spot I was at last night. We're actually using some frozen shad that was caught early in the season. And we also got fresh brim out, cut up. A couple Santee rigs out. Got some on the straight bottom too. So we'll see what happens. Till then, Bull Boys, baby, let's go. There you go. There you go. He can look. He can make. Oh man, he can make pull your shit in the water, bro. Got it. Yeah. Going right across the line. Really? Oh! He gotta be on there. He gotta be. There we go. Got some maxing, y'all. Oh shit. Oh, bigger than what you think. Nice.
Oh, you want a big man.
Awesome, man. Hell yeah, man. Uh-oh.
I'll take it.
Nice. Oh shit. Need that. Hell yeah, man. On board. That's where it starts, about one that size. Next thing you know. Got him? Ain't a bad start. Hey, you need to invest in some of these, dog. Look, once you take the hook out, check this, man. These things, you seen those before, right? Man, these things are sick, dude. Once it locks, it's like a bow release. You know how the bow releases, like it's so, like it holds tight, but as soon as you hit it, it just lets go. Oh yeah.
That's actually not a bad one either.
No, not to start the night. Wherever spot you're throwing at, I would throw that bitch right back. Yeah, put it right in his mouth, bro. Yep, just stick it right in there and lift them up. Them things are sick, dude.
Yeah. Give me a picture.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? Old boys here again. Out here this evening. Water's low. I just caught fresh bait, got it out on the bottom. Just had actually a little takedown. That would have been a cool introduction. But yeah, I'm down here, man. The water is low. Normally it's low tide right now, but I'm out here. There it is. There it is. Put y'all on my chest. Hang on. Well, he just knocked it. There he goes. Look, look. He messing with it. A little small one. There you go. There he goes. But anyway, I ain't worried about him unless that thing goes zzz. Yeah, I'm out here on this little island. High tide, this is underwater. Always wanted to come right here and just try and see what happens. You know, first throw, well, first 5 minutes of him. Look, there he is. Yeah, he's on there now. Or it could be, feels like he's wrapped around something over there. Look, good God, y'all. This is a big one. Holy cow. This is another nice one, y'all. I mean, this is a huge one. Oh, bro. Oh my God, dude. Don't tell me the line broke. Well, let me get my stuff together, get back with y'all. catfish on. The other one, after I caught that big one, I forgot to check my line at the end, and it was definitely frayed at the end, so I lost a good one, which sucks, y'all, because that one felt humongous. I mean humongous. Anyway, not a bad way to start. What do y'all think? Not bad at all. Cool. There's something moving. See if he comes back for it, y'all. Here he comes, here he comes. Y'all think he gonna take it? He messing with it for sure. There he goes. Come on, let's give me a little zing. I think he's on there, y'all. Yeah, he's on there. Hopefully still got my bait. I've been having a tough time getting bait, y'all. Guess because the tide's so low, the brim are a little finicky. Oh, he probably was on there for a minute. He wrapped all up in it. There you go. Now you got a little fight in him. Cool. Second one of the night. And he took my bait. That's all right. I ain't mad at him. What do y'all think? Boom. Off you go. Cool. Anyway, y'all, I was just messing around with my GoPro and this one hit. I was trying to download some footage, and while you're downloading, you can't do anything else with the GoPro. So I just got him a few minutes ago on a Santee rig on midsection brim. Good start tonight, I tell you. They're actually hitting tonight, so might be one of those nights to stay out a little late, but they ain't hitting on nothing but the midsection. So I'm gonna chunk up another one, get him out there, y'all. There we go, y'all, another one. A little small one. Cut the clicker off so y'all ain't gotta listen to that. This might be the biggest one of the night here. So far, I don't know that one hit. I wish I would have got that one in, y'all. Kick y'all. I know tonight they're loving the Santee rig with the, well, I think I got a headpiece on there, actually. Oh yeah, pulling drag a little bit. It just seems like I'm catching the same one over and over, y'all. No, you're a little bigger. Oh, look, he got himself off there. Look at that. Get back in there, buddy. You get it? All right. Well, that was cool. Getting on the water. No golly whopper, but it was fun. I know next Saturday, me and buddy Mike, we're gonna go out on the kayaks and go below the big dam up here. Do some bass fishing. So that ought to be fun. So next week, I'm looking forward to next weekend. This week, probably take a little break from the fishing. I say that, but I'll probably be back down here tomorrow night. But anyway, man, y'all have a good one. Until next time, hopefully I have some better content for y'all. Something different other than catfish. That's the goal. That's why I took my kayak earlier today. I took it out just to see how it's going to handle in the river, you know, because I'm not haven't been on a kayak much, especially in moving water. So that was the whole point of taking it out this morning, you know, getting a feel for it. So next Saturday, it should be on. Hopefully we'll get some fish for y'all. Till then, bowl boys.